But I think the most important persons to speak on internal security, we have three of them who have been in UPA period members of Cabinet Committee on Security. Normally it is Defense Minister, Home Minister, Foreign Minister and Finance Minister. So we have the Home Minister, Defense Minister and ex-Foreign Minister here. And they have developed very well on this subject. I associate myself with my colleagues. The concern they have shown, and it is not a concern of a political party, the concern of the entire country, entire nation. How two persons, an editor of a national channel and CEO of PAC, manipulated the TRP through a criminal conspiracy. One is the security part, who all were involved in this. But the basic point is how to manipulate the TRP. The TRP itself gives you greater rule in the national news network, and also if you have more TRP you will get more advertisements. Getting more advertisements means you become more richer. So if somebody has become more richer, somebody has been able to get more France's advertisements, not in normal course, not on merit, but through going through a criminal conspiracy and by manipulating an artificial TRP. And the most important part is the nexuses between the government and that particular individual. So that is most important. And that's a matter of great concern. As I said in the beginning, it is not the concern only for a political party or B political party. The question is much bigger. I think this TRP system and this box system, I don't know how it should continue and how it should function. But if it functions this way at the cost of the nation, at the cost of the security, where the nation's security is compromised and a particular individual knows much before the events like Balakot and episode of Pulwama has taken place, then I think it's most unfortunate. And it's not only that, one of the channels like this, the channel who is involved in this entire controversy, and there's another channel have bypassed in the past also the auction system put in place by Prasar Bharati to gain viewership on the DD free dish. The two channels did not pay the fee to Doordarshan to book slots in the free DTH service with the help of Dish TV, a private DTH service. The violation cost crores of rupees to the public exchequer. So this is not only this particular episode, they have been doing on earlier occasions also such things. So the government should rise to the occasion and take action against it. And one should also find whether this person is bragging or really the government is involved. If the really government is, if this person is bragging then action should be taken. If government is involved, then that is much bigger issue to be taken into consideration.